We are discussing about the GATE 1990 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. This is third 1 mark question, came in GATE 1990. In a forward biased photodiode with increase in light intensity, the diode current A increases, B remains constant, C decreases, D remains constant but the voltage drop across the diode increases. Generally, photodiode operates under reverse bias, but if you keep the photodiode under forward bias and light is applied, what happens to the diode current, whether it is increases or remains constant, or decreases or remains constant but the voltage drop across the diode increases. Out of these four options, the right answer is A, increases. We'll see the details. This is a symbol of photodiode. This is symbol of photodiode. Photodiode operates on the principle that whenever light is illuminated across the PN junction, more minority carriers are generated so that a current flows, more current flows in the PN junction. The current flows in the PN junction is going to be proportional to light intensity observed. So, simply a photodiode consists of an active PN junction which is operated in reverse bias. When light falls on the junction, a reverse current flows which is proportional to the illuminance. The linear response to light makes it an element in useful photodiode, useful in case of photodetectors. So, generally photodiodes are used in reverse bias only, because under reverse bias the light intensity is directly proportional to the number of minority carriers generated. But if you keep it in forward bias at that time, from the characteristics of this LED photodiode, we can say that it is going to be acting as normal ordinary PN junction diode under forward bias. So under forward bias, photodiode act as ordinary diode, so that the diode general equation can be followed under forward bias. The diode equation is nothing but ID is equal to I naught into e power QVD by NKT minus 1. We know the each and every element description. ID is nothing but diode current flowing through the diode. I naught is reverse saturation current which only depends on minority carriers, and VD is voltage across the diode terminals. K Boltzmann constant, N intrinsic constant or ideality factor. It is 1 for silicon, 1 for germanium, 2 for silicon, what we have studied. But at high voltages, N is equal to 1 is also taken for silicon. T is temperature in degree Kelvin. So from this this equation under forward bias, if you are looking at I naught is proportional to the light illuminated, so as light illumination is going to be increases, at that time I naught increases, that makes diode current in forward bias also increases for the given applied voltage. But this increase is going to be small compared to the rate of increase in reverse bias. In reverse bias the current is small, so that even if you add some small number of minority carriers, the total will be large. That is, previously how many number of carriers, now how many numbers you are adding is going to be very large in proportion. But in forward bias, majority carriers is going to be very large. Even if you add some carriers, that carriers are going to be treated very small compared to the concentration of majority carriers. But overall the current is going to be increases in forward bias, but the increase is very small. So the right answer for the question is increases. Thank you.